Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the front struts on Mitsubishi Space Star. If you want to replace the shock, the spring or the strut support mount, the procedure is the same. That's the strut that I'm talking about. And that's the 3 nuts that it's held on top on. 1, 2, 3. First to start by removing the wheel. Next, I'm going to show you what you need to remove. You need to remove this brake hose, also 2 bolts holding the shock on the bottom. This ABS sensor, we need to just take it out of its place, just like that, to make it stay loose. And those 2 bolts. And also we're going to remove the nut for the CV axle. We start by removing the nut for the CV axle. Next, we're going to remove the 2 bolts holding the strut on the bottom. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next, we'll take out the 2 bolts. If they don't want to come out, maybe hammer them out a little bit. That's one of the bolts removed. The bottom bolt, we'll remove it in a second. First, we're going to put a rope around the wheel hub to hold it in place so that when we remove the second bolt, the wheel hub will be free and it's not going to fall out. Now we're going to remove the second bolt and then the shock should be free on the bottom. Yes, this shock is free on the bottom, so now we're going to go on top of the car and remove the 3 nuts. Before removing the 3rd nut, make sure you get your hand underneath to hold the strut, so that when we remove the 3rd nut, it's not going to fall out. That's the 3rd nut removed, so now the strut is free on top as well, so now we'll just take out the strut. Next, we're going to replace whatever needs to be replaced on this strut. Procedure is the same. First, I'm going to compress the spring with this spring compression tool. After I compress the spring, I'm going to remove the nut on top holding the shock to the strut support mount. Once the spring is compressed enough, it should be loose to move. We're going to put these locking pliers on, and this is how it's going to hold the shock before we remove the center bolt, the center nut. Now that the nut is removed, I'm going to take out the strut support mount and replace whatever needs to be replaced. Now we can replace the shock, the spring, or the strut support mount. In my case, I'm going to replace only the strut support mount and the bearing. I'm not going to replace anything else. This is the part number of the strut support mount and the bearing. Now I'm going to put them on and put the nut on and tighten it. Now that I've replaced the strut support mount, I'm going to remove the spring compression tool and then put the strut back on the car. Putting the strut on the car is in the reverse procedure as removing it. First we're going to put it through the holes and put the 3 nuts on top, and we're going to tighten them, and then we're going to put the wheel hub into the shock absorber and put the 2 bolts in and tighten them. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.